Have you ever felt locked out of the financial world? Like you need a good credit score to unlock better deals, but getting a good credit score requires, well, a good credit score. It's a frustrating catch-22. But fear not, credit newbies. Because today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of building credit, specifically with a Capital One card. We'll crack the code on how long it takes, what factors influence it, and some hot tips to supercharge your credit journey with Capital One. So, how long does it take to build credit with a Capital One card? Buckle up, because the answer isn't a simple one-size-fits-all. It depends on where you're starting from. Credit newbie? Buckle up. Let's say you're a credit blank slate. No prior loans, no credit cards, nada. In this case, Capital One can be a fantastic springboard. They offer a variety of credit card options, including secured cards designed specifically for folks building credit. With a secured card, you put down a refundable security deposit that becomes your credit limit. Responsible credit card use, like on-time payments and keeping your balance low, gets reported to the credit bureaus. Here's the magic. It generally takes 3 to 6 months for your first credit score to appear after opening your Capital One card and using it responsibly. But wait, there's more. Building good credit, which we're talking a score in the 700s and above, is a different story. This can take anywhere from 2 years to forever. It depends on how diligently you manage your credit card. Fast-track your credit journey. Here's where Capital One shines again. They have a bunch of features to help you manage your credit card responsibly and build good credit habits. Tip number 1, be a payment ninja. Late payments are credit kryptonite. Capital One offers automatic payments to ensure you never miss a deadline. Set it and forget it, your credit score will thank you. Tip number 2, know your limit and stay below it. Maxing out your credit card is a major no-no. Capital One's app gives you real-time credit usage tracking, so you can stay on top of your balance and avoid credit utilization pitfalls. Tip number 3, get rewarded, but spend responsibly. Capital One cards offer reward programs that can incentivize responsible credit card use. Think cashback on purchases or travel points for that dream vacation. Just remember, rewards are a bonus, not an excuse to overspend. Beyond Capital One, the credit-building ecosystem. While a Capital One card is a great tool, it's not the only factor influencing your credit score. Here's a quick rundown of other elements at play. Credit mix. Having a mix of credit cards, loans, and lines of credit can actually strengthen your score. Credit history length. The longer your credit history, the better. So, using your Capital One card responsibly over time is a big plus. Credit inquiries. Every time you apply for new credit, it triggers a hard inquiry that can ding your score slightly. Be strategic about when you apply for new lines of credit. Building good credit takes time and discipline, but it's absolutely achievable. With a Capital One card, responsible credit card habits, and a well-rounded credit portfolio, you can unlock that financial world and watch your credit score soar. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.